Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. What a fantastic rally, that too for a second day. And day before yesterday low to today's high, Nifty rallied about 600 points. The Bank Nifty has rallied about 2000 points. Today's price action was quite similar to yesterday. Yesterday what happened? HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank led the rally. Today Reliance led the rally. So yesterday Nifty was up 180 points. Out of that 140 point contribution came from those three banks. Today Nifty rallied about 150 points. About 85 points contributed only by Reliance. Reliance was up more than 4% at some point of time. And then what happened yesterday? It was only the large cap led rally. Nifty 50 was down, mid cap was down, small cap was down. And today once again the same thing. Reliance led the rally, whereas next 50 was down. Mid cap and small cap was just, we can say, flat with some positive and some negative bias. And broader indices also did very badly today. Auto index was down, real estate index was down, IT index was down, and metal index was down. And especially Vedanta, the promoter selling for more than 10,000 crore. So when all things are down, just this handful of stocks, and you know HDFC Bank and Reliance alone having about 25% weightage in Nifty. So when these two stocks do very well, the markets will be going higher. And in fact, I thought today the markets will consolidate. Bank Nifty, it is in a consolidation slightly. HDFC Bank was down, but Axis Bank and ICICI Bank continued the rally. I did not think Nifty to close about 23,800. So I thought, there will be good resistance at 23,800, but it was easily taken out when the short covering came in Reliance Industries. So earlier I said 23,000 to 24,000. So looks like, we have only one more trading session tomorrow. And there was a huge unwinding in call options because the markets rallied like anything. And there was a huge addition of open interest in the put option. Put side, 23,800 and 23,700 put options have seen huge addition today. So that is indicating, probably tomorrow, if everything goes well, Nifty is likely to settle down between 23,800 to 24,000. And plus or minus 50 rupees because, the combined premium is about 60-70 point. So as long as Nifty is trading between 23,750 and 24,050, so these people who sold the strangle today, they'll be making some profit. So luckily this has happened very close to the expiry, because of time decay, option premiums came down. So otherwise this kind of rally, if it is in the beginning of the month, the option premium would have shot up like anything. A 600 point rally in Nifty in just 2 trading sessions is really very, very high. So if everything goes well, so as I told you, 24,000 is within the striking distance. And from June 4 low till now, the markets have already rallied 13 to 15%. And now only I am getting calls from my old friends. Sir, can I invest now in the stock market? I told them this is not the right time to, if you are already holding, you can enjoy the ride, but this is not the time to invest fresh money, because markets are, I would say euphoric a little bit. Now, all the events are over as of today. So as of today, the speaker position has also been decided. I told you already, so it's going to be Om Birla once again. So that's what exactly it has happened. So, as I told you, the trend is definitely an uptrend and undercurrent is very, very strong. And just imagine yesterday banks and today Reliance. If tomorrow TCS or Infosys start moving higher, 3%, 4%, and because they are all oversold. And Nifty can easily test 24,000. So 24,000 may not be tested tomorrow, but I think, before the budget, I think the Nifty is likely to test 24,000. And I'm just shooting this video much earlier because I need to go out. So FII data is still not out. So we will discuss tomorrow morning along with the FII data. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.